Good morning. Hardly do I come out at this hour to talk to you people. For the past 4 days, the terrorist regime and its forces from La République du Cameroon have been working tirelessly to invade the stronghold of Mato, located in Meme County. Within these last 4 days, a series of battles and skirmishes have taken place between Soka-Defiants and elements of the terrorist forces, mostly around the Mukete village, where yesterday, La République terrorists set ablaze Mukete village and took off as the Soka-Defiants were approaching. For the last 5 hours today, October the 5th, 2018, five armored cars, 1 Caterpillar, and more than 20 trucks of more than 500 forces of the terrorists began their incursion into Mato. As I speak to you at this moment, the battle for Mato is ongoing. Soka-Def has lost one of his finest soldiers in this battle this morning. Corporal Sanda Clifford. Not long ago, Soldier Clifford was laid to rest. But the good news is that Clifford did not go alone. Soka-Def, backed by all its neighboring camps and support from a friendly team from the ADF, has brought down more than 200 of the terrorists. I repeat, more than 200 of the terrorists have paid the price for invading Mato and our homeland. A couple of minutes ago, I received signals that the terrorists have finally entered into Mato. There is no escape route for the terrorists, as they have been blocked in every angle, from the left to the right, from north to south. This is so far the bloodiest of all battles so far for the restoration of our homeland. It is bloodier than Operation Smooth that took place at Dadi, with more than 186 slaughtered. As I speak to you at this moment, the battle for Mato is ongoing. And Soka-Def and all our defensive forces in that area have vowed that all those who have invaded Mato at this moment will not go back alive. This is going to be the fight of the century for the restoration of our homeland. This is going to be the fight that will never leave our memories. I am asking each one of you watching me at this moment to go down on your knees and pray fervently. Pray for the spirit of oneness for all the forces. Pray for their protection. Pray for each one of them. For they have vowed that they will all die at Mato today, or all the terrorists who have invaded our homeland will not be able to move. We have grounded one of the caterpillars. We have grounded one of the armor cars. But the battle is on. We do not know how it is going to end. But we are sure that at the end of this battle of all battles, the victory will be that for the people of Ambazonia. This is a trying moment in our struggle. This is the moment when the brave ones are called upon to stand for what is right and defend their homeland. This is the moment because the forces from Kosala to Ekiliwindi, everyone is working towards Mato. This is the battle for Mato. Because according to La République du Cameroon, a control over Mato will be a control of that stretch of land that has given protection, has acted as a safe haven for all our peoples within the neighboring villages. We will fight with the spirit of the cult of the Bushido. We will fight with that spirit until none of the terrorists is alive. We want to salute our able general of the army, General Ngoy, our Lieutenant Colonel Fokoyo, and all the brave warriors, the men and women who at this moment have put their lives at risk for our own betterment. Please pray for them. And start equally thinking about reinforcing. Because the battle for Mato is just the commencement of the bigger battle for our homeland. This is a very difficult moment for me. And this is equally a very difficult moment for you. As we put our soldiers, our forces, our brave men and women in prayers, let us understand that we never choose this war. Yet it is a war we must fight with every amber of strength we have. It is a war we must never think of giving up. We must fight this war because they brought it to our homeland. We must fight this war because it is the right thing to do. For there is no good war. There is no better war. But this is a just war. A war we must fight to liberate our homeland. We must be prepared to go to prison. We must be prepared to be killed. But we must equally be ready to die for what we know is right. They came into our homeland. They attacked our parents. They razed down our villages. They rape our daughters and moms. They destroy our educational system. They make a mockery of our judicial system. They thingified us, depersonalized us, dehumanized us. And now, they have imposed a deadly genocide on our homeland. This is the time we must fight as one man. We must fight as a people. We will listen to no calls for a ceasefire. We will only listen to a call for a frank negotiation for separation. This is the hour. Thank you very much for watching. Pray for the troops as the battle goes on. May God bless and protect each one of them at the battlefield at this moment. And may God give us the means to continue to sacrifice for the freedom of our people. May God bless you, and may God protect our soldiers. I will talk to you again very soon.